Take a ride in the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.